told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out.
Welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of Quarantour. We're actually here at BGC. First stop is Home Depot or Mac Home Depot kasi magkakaroon tayo ng DIY sa bahay for our yung parang hanging cabinets or hanging yung pedestal sa amin. So tara!
Alright, hi guys! As promised, sabi ko sa last vlog ko, mag-feature tayo ng mga small local businesses as our way of supporting them during this pandemic. So for my first feature, we are going to feature Harvey's Choice Pizza. Bagong bukas po yung kanilang branch dito sa Boni, Mandaluyong. And perfect po itong pizza na to connected to the Quarantour you just watched because BGC is inspired by, of course, New York. And there's what we call New York's finest na flavor ng pizza. So ayan po yung nakikita nyo. Looks pa lang, it really looks very delicious. The first one is the beefy special. Ito po naman is the Hawaiian Delight. So pizza is really a perfect match habang nanonood ka ng favorite mo mga movies, TV series, Netflix series, or K-dramas. And perfectly siyang pang family bonding, lalo na you're on a tight budget. So itong beefy special, if I'm gonna rate it, based sa experience ko, nung natikman ko po siya, I'm gonna rate it 7.5. Now, mas prefer ko po yung beefy special flavor ng Harvey's Choice na may hot sauce. Hindi po ako mahilig sa hot sauce, pero nung nilagyan ko siya, mas na-enhance niya yung lasa nung beefy special na flavor. Now, for the Hawaiian Delight naman, if I'm gonna rate it, honestly speaking, I'm gonna rate it 8. And between the two, obviously, based on the rating, mas prefer ko po yung Hawaiian Delight. And also, what they also did is, since hindi namin ubos, trinay namin ilagay sa fridge. After 24 hours, what I did is pinainit ko siya, of course, through the oven toaster. And panalo, masarap pa rin ang lasa niya. And at the same time, yung quality ng tinapay is okay pa din. And at the same time, yung toppings niya is okay pa rin. Lalo na yung melted cheese. Actually, yung pinaka-favorite ko dito, yung melted cheese sa pizza na to. So, let's support local businesses because they're helping our economy, lalo ngayon naka-recession na tayo. Plus, they're also helping our kababayan na magkatrabaho ngayong pandemic, and also they're helping the community as well. So, I hope you like this video. Harvey's Choice Pizza has a very affordable price. You can check out their Facebook page, so which you can see from this vlog. Thanks, guys!